This is how to find profitable crypto trades daily. I'll walk you through this exact guide that I use to make steady profits from the market. Now, when you go over to your Bybit exchange, go over to the Bybit platform, you're going to see something very interesting here. It says trending sector, right? We have our trending sectors, and these metrics is what we'll be using to decipher where exactly money is going into. So you can see we have layer 2, we have memes, layer 2, AI rollups, and we can easily just use this information to have a hold of what we are doing. Right, so I'll start by using layer 2 and analyzing a few pairs there and showing you how you can actually just run your analysis on them. So layer 2, for layer 2, let's see. Right, so this is layer 1, this is layer 2. I want to analyze. I've been watching this pair for quite a long time now. This CAS, right? So I'm going to come here, going to come there and put CAS USDT.P. Now, this is 1 day time frame. Let me just take this out completely. I'm going to put it on 4-hour time frame so that you can see it. Put it on 4-hour time frame right now. And then what do we have? Do we have a change of character? Let's see. Do we have a change of character here? What does the model say? A structural change of character must occur. So in other words, we must see something like this when price is trending down. Price is trending down like this. Want to see stuff's happening like this. Right? Want to see stuff's happening like this. And then a pullback to another break. Then we now buy from demand and what push price to the upside. Now, a lot of people just buy from here, but me, I usually like to wait for the word continuation break, right? So this is a change of character that is valid. We have one here. We have our inducement. And then we have our breakout structure, showing you that the trend has continued, right? Showing you that what the trend has what continued, as easy and simple as that. So if we are being realistic here now, right? Let's look at this and let's judge this. Do we have a breakout structure that is valid? The answer is yes. We do have a valid breakout structure. We do have. Now, look at this. Price is moving like so, right? We broke, we tested, created inducement, and we went back up again. Now, this is a valid change of character from this standpoint. So if this is acting as inducement, it means the other block is very close, or the point of interest is very close. So this here is going to be our what? Point of interest. So here's going to be our point of interest. Now, we have our point of interest here mitigated fully on 4-hour time frame. So now let's go to 30 minutes to see what might be happening there. We also want to see another change of character happening here on this side of the world spectrum. I'll give you a bunch of analysis to just work with, right? I'll give you a lot of analysis. This is one. So I'm seeing liquidity build up here. The moment we get another break from here, it gives us a structure. Then we can now say, okay, fine, fair enough. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. We can now say fair enough. All of this push here will act as liquidity. And then we can now start buying from the demand level, right? From the demand level is somewhere around here. If we get a push to the upside. Now, this is one amazing strategy that I use. So now let's look at this now. You see, we have layer 2. They've even given us the coin, IMX. We can just go here and do analysis on them and see what is going on. See what exactly is going on. This is IMX. Okay, this looks like price is already moving. Okay. Okay. There's no structure here yet. We can't buy. There's no word structure here yet. Because the last low that was what? Printed. And this low was swept. And this low was swept. So we're waiting for a new break of structure to give us we're waiting for something like this now to happen. Something like this to happen. Then we now start buying from here. When we get a valid change of character like this from here, we start buying. So the structure is still forming. Still forming. Let's see INJ and PP. INJ and PP. Okay, this is not a buy. This is far from a buy. A lot of people would say this is a liquidity hunt, and then they start trading like this, and they put their start trading like this. But I would rather want to wait. I want to wait for these fair value gaps to be filled. I want to wait for these fair value gaps to be filled, maybe up to 50%. Then get an entry. See, come here like this. Get an entry, and then boom to the upside. Now, lastly, I'm going to give you another asset, TROB. There are very, very many ways to actually do this. I have a lot of ways. Now, I've already analyzed this pair, right? So I'm just waiting. We have a valid change of character already. Let me show you guys. Remember, the change of character must have an adjustment and a continuation. So last low was taken out, right? Give us an adjustment. And price successfully tapped into this amazing fair value gap, into this amazing other block right here. And it went up. So we're expecting an engineered liquidity to happen, right? We're expecting an engineered liquidity to happen like this. Price goes up and then begins to do this. Comes back into what? Demand. Go back up again. This is what I'm expecting price to do. This is what I'm expecting price to do before going to the upside, to the nearest drawn liquidity, which is here. So I'm going to wait very patiently for something like this to form before I step into the market. Now, we can use this to get our, we can use this to actually find where price is going to. We can also use CoinMarketCap to get coins that are trending, right? You can see trending coins, you can see prediction markets. Just go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see all these data and metrics readily available for you. You can see them. You can see all these coins are trending. Run analysis on them. Run what? Analysis on them to see what exactly is going. Now let's see most visited. See, look at coin market news. Solana whale is buying. So if Solana whales are buying, let's see what Solana is doing. Let's see the price action of Solana. So I'll just come here and put Sol. There are a lot of positive news out there you can use, just implement them and start getting your thing right? So let's see what Solana is doing currently. Okay, we have this low. It's not taking out yet. Still not taking out. Have a low here that needs to be what? Taking out. The moment it is taking out, fair enough. We have a break of structure. The moment this guy is taking out, we have a break of structure. We want to see a pullback and then another break to give us a structure. Something like this. A break, a retest, and go up. We want to see price pull back here. Structural liquidity is formed and then continuation. That's all we want to see. Nothing more, nothing less. For those of you who are new to this channel, this is what we do every single day, every single time. We don't do any other thing aside this. This is what we do. All right, this is what we do. The reason I would like to sell from this QM is because we have our liquidity here. And price just took our liquidity. Price just took our liquidity from here. The liquidity run. And judging by that, a lot of persons would see that we have liquidity resting here. But I don't want to trade like that. I don't want to trade like that. I'm already seeing that the last initiated sell was happening from here. Right, the last initiated sell was happening from here. It's happening from here. So I'll come here. The moment I see my reaction, if I get a sell reaction from here, I start selling. If I get a sell confirmation from here, I start selling. The moment I get this, the moment I get something like this, break of structure, I start selling. I start selling immediately. So from lower time frame, I want to see this happen. I want to see this happen from lower time frame, like 15 minutes. I want to see it happen on 15 minutes time frame. So I'm patiently waiting, guys. Patiently waiting. It was an inducement. Patiently waiting for this to occur. If it happens here, then I know this weekend I'm seriously going to sell Ethereum Classic, push it vigorously to the downside. So that's it, guys. This is my one of the ways that I actually, look for coins that I can trade profitably the crypto market every now and then. Mentorship is open, guys. More details in the description of this video. Look it up. Trust you, come on board. Let's make money together this year. 2026 is a year of fulfillment for me. 2025 was good, but 2026 needs to be better for everyone. All right, so that's basically how it works. I'm going to see you on the next video. Cheers, one love, peace out.